Just a spoonful of this potent mixture provides numerous benefits for your kidney health, brain health, skin health, digestive health, heart health, and more. You can easily prepare this mixture with 3 simple ingredients that you likely already have in your kitchen or refrigerator. Today, let's explore the power of olive oil, honey, and lemon. These ingredients have shown great potential in various scientific studies against many types of illnesses, infections, and chronic diseases. First, we'll delve into their health benefits, and then we'll learn how to prepare this incredibly healthy drink to enjoy all the advantages they offer. 1. Kidney health. One key ingredient in this healthy drink is lemon juice, which contains citric acid. Citric acid breaks down into citrate in our body, and studies show that citrate naturally binds with calcium in the urine, reducing its availability for forming calcium oxalate stones, the most common type of kidney stones. In fact, a 2015 study demonstrated up to a 40% reduction in kidney stone recurrence with increased citrate intake. Additionally, the honey in this drink has powerful anti-inflammatory properties that can reduce inflammation in your kidneys and lower your risk of developing kidney diseases. Honey's natural antibacterial properties might also help reduce your risk of developing urinary tract infections to some extent. 2. Weight management. If you're trying to shed extra pounds, consuming this drink regularly could be highly effective. The drink contains olive oil, which studies show promotes satiety by slowing down stomach emptying and reducing hunger hormones. In other words, it helps you feel full quickly and stay full longer, preventing overeating and aiding in weight loss. Olive oil is also rich in monounsaturated fats, which are healthier fats that have been shown to enhance metabolism and improve insulin sensitivity. This means your body can become more efficient at burning stored fats and using them for energy. Additionally, lemon juice further enhances these effects, helping you lose weight quickly and effectively. 3. Immune health. As you may already know, honey has been traditionally used for centuries for its role in wound healing. This is primarily due to its antioxidant, anti-inflammatory, and antimicrobial properties, which can prevent various types of infections and protect your immune cells from free radical damage. Additionally, the lemon juice in this drink contains vitamin C, a well-known antioxidant essential for numerous immune functions. Vitamin C supports white blood cell production, helps protect cells from damage, and enhances the immune response to infections. 4. Heart health. Among the 3 ingredients in our drink, olive oil has demonstrated the most compelling evidence for enhancing heart health. A meta-analysis from 2013, encompassing 14 studies, highlighted that substituting other fats with extra virgin olive oil resulted in an average reduction of LDL cholesterol by 9.5%. Additionally, consumption of olive oil has been associated with improved arterial health, favorable blood pressure levels, and enhanced lipid profiles. Furthermore, the lemon juice included in our drink is rich in vitamin C, a potent antioxidant known for its potential to aid in the breakdown of triglycerides, which contribute to plaque formation and increase the risk of heart attacks and strokes. Lemon juice also contains moderate amounts of potassium, which further supports its ability to regulate blood pressure and promote overall heart health. 5. Liver health. Protecting liver health is crucial because the liver plays a pivotal role in detoxification, metabolism, and nutrient storage. Given its involvement in these vital functions, the liver is susceptible to damage from harmful compounds, chemicals, and toxins found in our diet, supplements, or medications. Fortunately, the drink we're discussing can serve as a potent natural remedy to support liver function. For instance, olive oil is abundant in monounsaturated fats, particularly oleic acid, OIC, which aids in reducing liver fat accumulation. A study in 2018 demonstrated a 14% decrease in liver fat after 12 weeks of consuming a Mediterranean diet enriched with extra virgin olive oil. Furthermore, olive oil's natural anti-inflammatory properties can lower the risk of non-alcoholic fatty liver disease, one of the most prevalent liver conditions globally and in the US. Additionally, the citric acid present in lemon juice stimulates bile production, enhancing the liver's capacity to process nutrients and detoxify the bloodstream. 6. Digestive health. Olive oil functions as a lubricant in the digestive tract, aiding in the smooth passage of food and potentially alleviating constipation. Some studies even suggest that extra virgin olive oil may protect the stomach lining from ulcers and damage caused by certain medications and antibiotics. The polyphenol in olive oil may also support the growth of beneficial gut bacteria, thereby promoting overall digestive health. On the other hand, citric acid in lemon juice has been found to stimulate saliva and digestive juices, enhancing the stomach's ability to digest and metabolize food effectively. Raw honey contains prebiotics, which are fibers that nourish beneficial gut bacteria. Additionally, honey possesses antimicrobial properties that can help combat harmful bacteria in the gastrointestinal tract. 7. Brain health. Alzheimer's disease is a neurological condition that primarily impacts memory, cognition, and behavior. Fortunately, our beverage includes olive oil, which contains oleic acid. Research indicates that oleic acid can safeguard brain cells from damage and potentially enhance cognitive function, memory, and learning abilities. Moreover, regular consumption of olive oil has been associated with a significantly reduced risk of dementia and Alzheimer's disease. A study even demonstrated an 8 to 14% decrease in the risk of developing fatal dementia with daily olive oil intake, while replacing harmful fats. Additionally, a large-scale study conducted in Spain found that higher olive oil consumption was linked to a slower rate of age-related cognitive decline. The antioxidant properties of vitamin C and the anti-inflammatory properties of honey in this beverage may further amplify these remarkable health benefits. 8. Skin health. The monounsaturated fats found in olive oil are known to help retain skin moisture and improve elasticity. Its anti-inflammatory properties may also contribute to preventing skin conditions such as eczema and psoriasis. Lemon juice, on the other hand, is rich in vitamin C, which plays a crucial role in collagen production, a vital protein for the strength, flexibility, and health of skin cells. Moreover, the antioxidants present in lemon juice and the other ingredients in this beverage effectively combat harmful free radicals that contribute to skin aging, wrinkles, and fine lines. Regular consumption of this drink can thus promote healthier, glowing, and younger-looking skin from within. Now, let's delve into how you can prepare this beneficial drink. Take 100 milliliters of water and warm it slightly. Add 2 teaspoons of fresh lemon juice, or the juice of 2 fresh lemons, to the warm water. Stir in 4 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil. Add 1 to 2 tablespoons of natural honey to the mixture. Stir well until the honey dissolves completely. Transfer the mixture into a bottle that does not allow light to pass through. This helps prevent oxidation and preserves the health benefits and taste of the olive oil. Store the bottle overnight to ensure thorough mixing of the ingredients. You can keep the prepared mixture in the refrigerator for up to a month. To experience the potential health benefits, consume just a spoonful of this mixture every morning on an empty stomach, at least half an hour before breakfast. It's important to note that while this drink offers numerous health benefits, it should not replace medical treatment for any conditions mentioned. If you have any existing health conditions or are taking medication, consult your doctor to ensure there are no potential interactions or side effects before incorporating this drink into your daily routine. If you enjoyed watching this video, don't forget to like, subscribe and turn on the notification bell, so you don't miss any new videos. Let us know your thoughts about this video in the comments section down below, and feel free to stay and enjoy it until the end. Also make sure to check out our next highlighted video, and we will see you next time. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe.